Like I say, Starline and the Queens. Like I say, I could. Um, Another thing, like I say, I can prove my identity just by telling you about the Queen history, the Queens of the Earth, the Queens of America, the Queens basically, the Queen of England. Like I say, I can tell you exactly how many Queens there have been. I can tell you exactly how the Queens were structured. I can tell you exactly everything that there is to know about basically Britain, Bryantown, basically. Britain, Briton, a town. They're British or whatever. Bryanish. Like I said, it actually goes back to the Thames and some other places. Like I said, I had some big mammoth size or huge, really huge trash sites. So there was Brian trash, or it was actually Lucifer Star trash, basically. But Brian trash, basically, because there's trash piles in Britain, basically. My LS trains would go and throw trash, like for all of Europe in a couple different spots. And like I said, eventually they were covered over with dirt, and eventually then factories were built on top and stuff like that. And there was a problem with the gas that was coming off of it. And like I said, basically leading Germany, the pay schedule for the people that worked inside the sewer systems, and of course the white piles of lard that would clog up my pipes or my what's called. Like I said, Lucifer Star. It's about, it's a big long tale of basically of hydro dams, sewage systems, basically also like projects like reclaiming poop into gas. Like I said, somewhere in Europe we built the little things where it separates the solid and the liquid from the sewage. So the poop would go inside of one tank, and then it would turn into a gas, and then we would light the street lights and stuff like that with the poop and stuff like that. Also reclaiming trash pile gas and stuff like that. As basically my trash piles were giving off quite a bit of gas, as they say. Like I said, there's lots of different things that happen. The filling of swamps, basically. Like I said, I'm a civilization builder. I build civilizations for a living. I used to do it a lot with, like I said, I didn't just do it with the human race. I did it with exoskeletons and 1.5s and all kinds of other life forms. Like I said, I built Venice in the first place before the water ever rose that high. So anyway, lots of my building projects, like I say, that's why there's the Lucifer Bible and stuff like that as basically my building projects. So yeah, it's all true. Anyway, like I said, my American citizen name is Brian Briley, but really I'm Lucifer Star, so, or Lucifer Starline, as they say. Lucifer, what's his name? Starline. Lucifer Starline. That's my name. So anyway, so like I said, if you wanted to, I've left quite a few videos about who I was, who I am, what I did, what part I played in existence, and everything else, and some stuff about the universe and galaxy. Like I said, my 1.5s. Like I said, you found them in a cave, and you found my little 1.5s in a cave. Basically, they were here. There's a picture of an astronaut and a 1.5 together, and there's even quite a few statements from women and other people how they talk to my 1.5s. And my 1.5s knew about like 7 or 20 languages and could speak perfectly in your language, basically. And like I said, there's also the exoskeletons, my exoskeleton life forms, and lots of other life forms throughout the universe. Like I said, we built civilizations together. We built planets, and we built buildings and civilizations. And I also created the female and male body type. At some point in time, I basically existed the inside out exoskeleton, or the basically people. I believe I might have built females first and then males, but basically yes. I basically am the creator of humanity. So, we call it humans. So, anyway, yes, it is all true. And like I said, you can look to tablets and look for stars, or the word star. Like I said, it's the white star line. You can also look up LS. I believe Sterling is a reference to Starline. Basically, like I said, we were very big in Germany. I am technically a very, very rich, powerful man. Anyway, like I said, an epically old builder. So, yes. Anyway, yeah. So I'm just telling the people out there, the world, what's going on with that, what star is, what star line was, why there's stars on the Kremlin. You know, like I said, when they show pictures of the Jewish, but those really aren't Jewish people. Those are Starline employees, Lucifer Starline employees. Like I said, we had cameras, we had film, we documented everything. We have histories, Bible, we have histories, diaries, all that stuff. I encouraged my people to write, and like I said, all my people knew how to spell, write, and some language, or multiple languages. Like I said, a lot of my people spoke 7 or 20 languages, and could write. Like I said, the Germans could speak and write. I think speak 4 languages, or write, or speak like 7 languages and write 4, or something like that. They're ridiculous. Like a lot of my people were super, super effective and good and smart people. Anyway, it was a long, long time ago when things were different. So anyway, yeah, whatever. There's probably Mr. I'll Never Die or someone else trying to take over, trying to do whatever. It's like, you know, I retired eventually. But yeah, that's why there's stars on the Kremlin and the White Star Line. That's me. Germany, Europe, Mexico, America, Panama. Original builder of the Panama Canal. And I'm the one who harnessed the river and all that. So, anyway, yeah. Yeah, exactly. And oh well, you know, Belfast Shipyard, LS Shipyard. So, LC Shipyard, LC Manufacturing. I thought it was funny. LC and LS Manufacturing. See, LC, look, see, Lucifer Star. Because as you went down to the ocean, it was LC Shipyard or the manufacturing complex, LC on the map. And then it said LS after that. So look, see, Lucifer Star. It was a joke, you know. And I also had the LS Slate Yard and the LC Slate Yard, I believe, or something like that. I forget. There's 2 different quarries. I had a lot of quarries, or a lot of rock cutting operations, so. And also dredging and stuff like that.